जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स। मैं एक्स कैडेट आलोक कुमार आपके यूट्यूब चैनल एनसीसी सर्टिफिकेट एग्जाम्स एबीसी में वेलकम है। आइए फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे एनसीसी सर्टिफिकेट का क्वेश्चन पेपर जो 2009 में आया था। इससे आपको एक आइडिया लग जाएगा कि क्वेश्चन कैसा आता है। ये इंग्लिश में फ्रेंड्स, और खासकर इंग्लिश वालों के लिए, बट आपके लिए मैं हिंदी में भी डिस्क्राइब करूँगा। तो आइए फ्रेंड्स, आज की शुरुआत हम एक नए थॉट्स के साथ करते हैं। आज का मेरा नया थॉट्स है, आप जैसे विचार करेंगे वैसे ही बन जाएंगे। अगर आप अपने आप को कमज़ोर मानेंगे तो आप कमज़ोर बन जाएंगे, और यदि आप अपने आप को ताकतवर मानेंगे तो आप ताकतवर बन जाएंगे। एज यू विल थिंक एज यू विल बिकम। इफ़ यू कंसिडर योर सेल्फ वीक देन यू विल बिकम वीक, एंड इफ़ यू कंसिडर योर सेल्फ स्ट्रॉन्ग देन यू विल बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग। तो जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, आज देखते हैं क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट इज़ द एम ऑफ ड्रिल। तो देखिए एम ऑफ ड्रिल क्या है, 5 नंबर में आया हुआ। देखिए तो टू include a sense of discipline, improving bearing, smartness, appearance, and turnout, create self-confidence, and to develop the quality of immediate implicate obedience to orders। आगे चलते हैं। फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स देखिए, डैश स्टेप टेकन इन खुली लाइन। खुली लाइन में कितने स्टेप ले जाता है तो 1.5 कदम। डैश मैक्सिमम एनो स्टेप अलाउड फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड, कितना 1 कदम। डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू हिल्स इन विश्राम पोजिशन कितना होता है तो 12 इंच का। ऑन द वर्ड ऑफ द कमांड परेड पर कितना होता है 14 से मतलब 14 पे, और उसके बाद 1 से 2 पे। लेंथ ऑफ स्टेप डबल मार्च इज कितना होता है तो 30 डिग्री, मतलब 30 का वो लेते हैं। फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स देखिए दोबारा, इन आधा दाहिने मुड़ द स्क्वायर टर्न कितना 45 डिग्री मुड़ता है। इन तेज चाल द डिसिप्लिन बिटवीन कैरेट कितना 45 इंच। इन दाहिने सज द स्क्वायर टेकन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड बाय कितना 15 इंच। एंगल बिटवीन डोज इंग्लिश एंगल बिटवीन टोस इन साउदर्न पोजिशन कितना होता है फ्रेंड्स, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए 30 डिग्री। इन पीछे मुड़ द स्क्वायर टर्न 180 डिग्री, मतलब पीछे मुड़ में 180 डिग्री मुड़ते हैं। उसके आगे देखिए, व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स टू ऑब्जर्व वाइलिंग सल्यूटिंग, मतलब सल्यूट करते समय क्या क्या चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी चाहिए। तो बेरिंग द राइट हैंड बाय स्मार्ट सर्कुलर मोशन, कीप ऑल द फिंगर क्लिनेट टुगेदर एंड palm completely open, finger wrist and elbow allow the straight line. The top 4 finger will remain near the center of the right eyebrow. Keep the hand in position for the defining poses. Cut down the hand smartly by the shortlet position routine taken up the southern position. हु आर इंटायर्ड फॉर राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट, मतलब कि राष्ट्रीय सलामी किससे दी जाती है तो ये राष्ट्रीय तिरंगे को हमारे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, गवर्नर ऑफ स्टेट, और भी लोग हैं। व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स टू बी सीन इन सावधान पोजिशन। सावधान पोजिशन में क्या क्या चीज़ें देखी जाती हैं। देखिए फ्रेंड्स, 5 नंबर में आया हुआ है। तो बॉडी इरेक्ट परफेक्टली स्टिल बट नॉट स्टिफ, हेड अप, आइज लुकिंग स्ट्रेट एंड द फॉरेन वंस ऑन हाइट एंड स्टिल, chin vertical, neck strength and feeling the collar, consider square and forward downwards, chest up, hands fixed with body behind the scam and trouser, elbow stand finger, making loose half and first thumb toward the front, weight of the body on both legs, knees and strength, heels together making angle of 30 degree at the front। आगे चलते वेपन में देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स, 40 नंबर का। What is the sequence of action while firing a shot। देखिए, एमिंग पोजिशन ऑन टेकन द एम द फायर मस्ट टेक द फर्स्ट प्रेशर, ब्रीथिंग जस्ट बिफोर टेकिंग एन एम, ब्रीथिंग मस्ट बी ग्रेंटली restricted. It is important to coordinate so that when the fourth side come to the point aim to breathe properly except firing immediately on correct aim, the second pressure will be taken and shot fired for second or two after firing. There should be no relaxation hold movement for tiger finger on head follow through. The hold aim must be maintained until the bullet has left barrel, better still, and fire should allowed through until the bullet has reached the target. Define the law of aiming, मतलब कि देखिए हिंदी मतलब लॉ ऑफ एमिंग आपको हिंदी में बात के पहले इंग्लिश में देखता हूँ। फोकस द टारगेट सो डैट द क्लियर पिक्चर इज फॉर्मड ऑन द रेटिना ऑन द आई and get the true center of the target. Then with the eyes focus on the foresight, hold the rifle properly as you has already been taught and keep it upright. Close the left eyes and focus the foresight. See the foresight through the black sight. You and foresight should be seen right in the center of the U, and tip the foresight must be aligned the center and level with the shoulder of U. आगे चलते हैं. What is quality of good firearm? Good aiming, good holding, good trigger operation. आगे चलते हैं. What is the difference between loading rifle and charging the magazine? देखिए, a rifle is loaded when there is round in the chamber. Charging the magazine means that all the rounds are magazine itself. Fill in the blanks देखिए. The size of फ्लंटली ऑफ द क्लियरिंग इज कितनी होती है, तो सॉरी चिंदी कितनी होती है, तो 4/2 की होती है. मैगजीन कैपेसिटी ऑफ 7.62 mm SLR कितनी होती है, तो 20 राउंड होती है. डैश प्रेशर विल फाउंड ऑन ओपनिंग ऑफ द 7.62 mm SLR कितनी है, तो 2 होती है. द वेट ऑफ मैगजीन अलोन इज 9 ounce होती है. द कैपेसिटी ऑफ SLR मैगजीन इज 20 राउंड्स होती है. What are the main parts of SLR? तो butt, piston grip, trigger guard, trigger, magazine, hand guard, carrying handle, barrel, gas plug, foresight pressure, piston, breech block, injection slot, body cover. आगे देखते हैं. Right, true and false. 7.62 mm LMG can be stripped in 5 group. तो क्या ये true है? There are 6 groups in 7.62 mm SLR. It's also true. Magazine capacity of pistol .22 rifle is dash 10 round, तो गलत है. The caliber of .22 round cell .22 तो सही है. The effective range of .22 rifle is 25 yard, तो सही है. आगे देखते हैं 5 नंबर में. What are the current objective of India? तो self sufficiency in nuclear power, availability of replayable power supply the farming and industries, production of good for work market, balancing growth in both public private sector. आगे चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन में चलते हैं. अगला क्वेश्चन देखिए फ्रेंड्स. Modernization of village linking with roads and provide the electricity to the all villages. Why national integration important for the progress of any nation? It is important from maintaining the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the nation, maintenance of the peace and harmony, growth and development of nation, education and poverty and illiteracy, internal security and law and order, culture and religious development, economics and industrial growth, attract foreign investment and increases import and export, exchange of technological know-how and culture, dignity and self-respect as a nation, welfare and well-being of the people, foreign relation and better standing among the nations of the world. True and false देखते हैं. The policy of sulkul peace with all was adopted by Akbar. Influence of new gods and new method was brought to India and developers. तो क्या false है. The British in India follow the policy divide and multiply, तो ये भी गलत है. Jesus Christ was born in 4 BC in Jewish, ये भी गलत है. Gautam Buddha was son of the Indian prince Sudona, ये तो सही है, true है. You can contribute for national building. Youth can contribute for national building at personal level by saying no to what all social evils. देखिए फ्रेंड्स क्या क्या है, मतलब सामाजिक बुराई क्या क्या है. ड्रग, डाउरी, इलिसिट सेक्सुअल रिलेशन, उसके बाद एंटी सोशल एक्टिविटी थ्रू द एक्शन, एक्सप्लोटेशन, अंडर प्रिविलेजन इन सोसाइटी, यूज ऑफ चाइल्ड लेबर, अनफेयर मीन्स ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम, एक्सेप्टिंग एंड ऑफरिंग ब्राइब ऑफ द फॉर्म. आगे चलते हैं. 10 नंबर देखिए. व्हाट आर द लीडरशिप ट्रेंड्स? तो दे आर अंडर अलर्टनेस, बेयरिंग, करेज, डिस्क्रिशन, डिफरेंस, इंडोरेंस, इंटीग्रिटी, जजमेंट, जस्टिस, नॉलेज, लॉयल्टी, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर, टैक्टफुल एंड अनसस्पिशियस. आगे चलते हैं. लिस्ट आउट द इम्पोर्टेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ द गुड एंड सक्सेसफुल लीडर. So they are honesty, integrity, purity, discipline, successful, loyalty, pharmacy, trust, support. I told about the all about. So define the two elements of perception. Perception is the process of selection or screening which prevent us from processing event dispersion information, and there there is organization to estimate employing the information that it proceed has to ordered and classified in some logical manner which permit us to assign meaning of the systemic situations. What is leader? A leader is one who influences man material to win the goal. What are types leader? So they are born leader, trained leader, and assumed leader. Define duty. Duty may be defined as a moral or legal or obligations and building force of what is might and good behavior toward superior and colleagues and subordinates. What are duties of good citizen? To be loyal and own allegiance to state, to be patriotic and work for preservation and independence of the country, to put service before self, to have good sense of duty, to care and protect the government priority, to have high character, to consider right other citizen as important as his own rights. आगे चलते हैं. Disaster management. Define disaster. Disaster denote any odd event, natural or man-made, which bring about immense misery to region and become difficult to cope of the situation through the local resources. There are two types of disaster: natural and man-made. What are natural disaster? What are the natural disaster? Like wind-related, storm, cyclone, thorn, storm, struggle, tide, waves. Water-related, flood, climate, flash flood, extreme rains and drought. Earth-related, earthquake to tsunami, avalanche, landslides and volcanic eruption. What are the man-made disaster? Like accident, industrial fire, forest fire, con- uh, conventional position, terrorist activity, ecological activity. Those all men, those all disaster will we will say man-made, which is related to man. There is a hand of man, you can say. Social service. What are the various types of social service? Like education, family welfare, medical or family planning and nutrition, provision of water and cooking fuel, roads, electricity and sanitation, old age support system, employment, social assignment, social security, care and protections, housing and rehabilitation, resources, sports and social activities. What are the various arguments in favor of reservation policy? Social diversity and describe the campus and workplace. It can bring out hidden talent of society. One way to do it provide relaxed and integrate area for underprivileged groups. Hardship faced by those in general category is due to shortage of state and professional college and sort of the employment opportunity and not due to reservation. What are the various points against reservation policy? So there are many. Like economical conditions should be the basis of reservation. Reservation decisions are taken keep political interest in mind. Allocation of the quotas on basis caste is a form of radical discrimination and those country to right equality. Merit is severely compression by reserving seat and criteria state and basis community. Caste system is being kept alive reservation policy. Define family planning. Family planning is defined as the voluntary responsible decision made by the individual and couples as to desired family size and timing of birth. What are the various methods of family planning? Like vasectomy, tuberculosis, contributory like condom and discrams, oral pills. Define HIV. HIV, human immunodefensive virus, is a virus gradually destroys the body's immune system. What are the roles of character toward society? Develop a sense of loyalty and community to which she and he belongs. Work toward national integration and develop loyalty of the nation. actively participate in the development plans to nation other and directly involve the himself the program's ideas development and by the helping others participate in the development process. Hygiene and situation देखिए. What is hygiene? Hygiene is the science which deals with the principles of promoting health professional and public. What is sanitization? Sanitization is the art keeping ourselves surrounding neat and clean. What is personal hygiene? Cleanliness of hair, cleanliness of body and skin, cleanliness of nails, cleanliness of clothes, cleanliness of teeth. How will you purity? How will you purity water? Sedimentation, fertilization, chlorination, and boiling. What are the types of latrines? Water carriage system, aquapiary, removing system, deep technical latrine, and solid latrine. What are the preventive measures of malaria? DDT spray, use of mosquito net, use of mosquito repellent, wearing fully covered dress, avoid stagnant water near living area, spray across oil stand and danger water. What is the importance of sanitation? Health community depend on the sanitation under the sanitization on the cleanliness of the physical surrounding habits and people quality of the food, water and air is taken care of. Adventure activity. What are the various land-based adventure activities? Expediting, trekking, cycle and motorcycle expediting. What do you understand by adventure training? So, the training given to the cadets youth by the NCC develop the quality of leadership, self-confidence and determination and feeling of the team spirit. Environment and ecology. What is greenhouses effect? It is a effect arising due to increased carbon dioxide content and increases in global temperature and depletion of ozone layer due to chlorofluorocarbons used poses the greatest threat of to very excited and salvation of the human beings and flora and fauna around the globe. What are the effects environment degradations, globe warming, etc. and to the layer? What is the role of NCC cadet toward the environment degradations? NCC cadet can take following action of the cube environment and degradations. Tree planting, guide and motivate family and friends to control environment degradations, water conservation, disposal of waste, education and people. Let's see next. Subjective subject, armed forces. What are the names of army commands? So there are 7 names. Northern Command, Western Command, Central Command, Southern Command, Southwestern Command, Eastern Command, and Training Command. And Central Command will be Lucknow. Name of fighting arms: armor, infantry, and mechanized infantry. Map reading. What is map? Map is property representation of the pieces of the ground with all the its natural and man-made features shown by the some conventional signs. What are the use of maps? To find on position, to determine direction from the one subject to another, to locate various features of ground on map, to plan move during war. Name 5 parts of compass: thumb ring, lead, window, tongue, lever line, description marks, and prism. What are the cardinal point and types of north? North, south, east, west. True north, magnetic north, and great north. Draw the following conventional signs. You have to make water spring, temple, gurdwara, and mosque, fort. You have to make conventional signs these. What are the uses of compass? To find the north, to set the map, measure the magnetic beam during night march. Fieldcraft and battlecraft. Define fieldcraft. Fieldcraft is an art using the ground and weapon available to the best of one's own advantage. What all the subject including the fieldcraft? Description of ground, observation and containment, judging distance, recognition, description of the target, movement without arms. What are the various types of ground and explain? There are 3 types of ground: broken ground, flat and open ground, and high ground, dead ground. What are the various methods of judging distance? Unit of measure, appearance method, section average, key range, halving, and breakity. What is the sequence of indicating target? The easy way to remember this sequence to remember the word grade, the sequence as a flow, design of the group, range, add, description. Introduction to infantry weapon and equipment. Effective range of 7.62 mm SLR is dash कितना 275 मीटर होता है. रैपिड रेंज ऑफ फायर ऑफ LMG इज डैश 3 मैगजीन पर मिनट यानी 60. अच्छा, एक्सपैंड SMC क्या होते हैं? स्टैंड मैकेनिक कार्बाइन. LMG कैन बी स्ट्रिप्ड इन 5 parts, 5 main groups. No groups in 7.27 SLR is 6. So there are many things. Answer the following. राइफल 7.62 mm SLR का कुतुर कैलिबर कितना है? तो 7.62 mm. भरे हुए मैगजीन के साथ 7.62 mm SLR का वजन कितना है? तो 5.1 kg. राइफल 7.62 mm SLR का कारगर रेंज कितना है? तो 275 मीटर. राइफल 7.62 mm SLR में कितने राउंड्स भरे जाते हैं? तो 20 राउंड. राइफल 7.62 mm SLR का पूरा नाम लिखो. तो 7.62 mm सेल्फ लोडिंग राइफल. राइफल 7.62 mm SLR की सफाई का सामान लिखो. पुल थ्रू, ऑयल बोतल, कॉम्बिनेशन टूल, गैस रेगुलेटर की, स्क्रू ड्राइवर, सिलेंडर, चैम्बर एंड क्लीनिंग ब्रूस, राइफल क्लीनिंग ब्रूस, गिफ्ट्स, ग्रेसेस, ट्रिप एंड चिंदे. Military history. Write a short notes on the battle Handgati in about 50 words. Haldigati. The Battle of Haldigati was the fought between Rajputs and Mughals army in 1576. It was fought between 20,000 Rajputs and 80,000 Mughal army. The battle was fierce but intensive. Maharana Pratap was saved by the stranger brother. However, former loyal horse Chetak died while saving Maharana. Also the following. During which period did Akbar rule Mughal Empire? 15 October 1542 to 27 October 1605. Who was the chief of the Indian Army during the Indian Pak War in 1971? General S.F. Manekshaw, later FM. Which was the fourth war fought between India and Pakistan? The Kargil War. So friend, this is enough for today. I hope you understood very well. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.